Welcome, visionaries and trailblazers. Autography is just not a platform, it's a space where principals, teachers, homemaker, and women united for an extraordinary journey. I am Nilay Doshi, a proud founder of Autography, and the remarkable co founder and author Chaya Doshi. Her stellar contributions earn her the Best Woman Empowerment Award from the Public Relations Council of India. Together, we invite you to explore this magical playground crafted exclusively for women, a place where business brilliance flourish and the art of handwriting is elevated through our transformative 30 days course. It's not just a platform, it's like a magical playground designed exclusively for women. Here, you have the freedom to showcase your business brilliance, where it's from the cozy corner of your home or the vibrant energy of the commercial spaces. Welcome to the extraordinary world of autography. We have created autography as a platform for you to showcase your talent. Our handwriting improvement course is designed to teach children how to improve both their handwriting and speed writing. Autography goes beyond the writing. Our published books under the name of Autography Beyond the Writing. This comprehensive 30 hours course spans for 30 days. With the guidance of our autography certified teachers, children can enhance their handwriting using autography books. Certified autography teacher spend 1 hour daily with student, ensuring a guaranteed improvement in handwriting and speed writing. Since its inceptions in 2018, autography has reached over 22,000 satisfied children in India and beyond, with more than 350 delighted principal, teachers, homemaker and women join our program, and the numbers keeps growing. Autography is a platform that truly embodies women empowerment, giving meaning to every woman's story. Now, let me share how you can become a certified autography teacher. We offer a 2 days paid workshop covering technical, marketing, mock session and commercial aspects. This workshop will help you break free from the limitations of your current handwriting and lead you a place of confidence. The goal is to make you feel confident and capable of starting business with autography. You can choose to attend live online session or purchase our pre-recorded course. After completion of the course, your handwriting will significantly improve, guarantee. The workshop includes a set of autography books comprising of a classroom book and a homework book. Upon completion of the course, you will receive a certificate proclaiming you are a certified autography teacher along with 100 business visiting cards. We provide you with a daily marketing material such as flyer, brochures, banner and video for a lifetime. This ensures that you can easily share your certified status on the social media, leading to increase the visibilities and inquiries from the parents. Autography offers you the unique advantage of receiving payments directly from the parents, avoiding any kind of commission or royalty fees. This is the best part of autography. You have the freedom to set your fees based on your marketing skill and abilities without any restrictions. We here to stand by you, providing all the helps and support you need because you are the boss of your business. Let me break it down for you with an example. If you teach 10 students in a month and a charge of 5,000 rupees each student, net revenue would be 50,000. With an investment of 600 rupees per student for books and certificates, your net profit per student would be 4,400. Teaching 10 students, your net profit would be whopping 44,000 rupees all within 1 or 2 hours a day. And the opportunity with autography don't end there. You can explore the independent business trainer IBT model and collaborate with the school projects, and our support will be with you for all the life. Autography, where the magic of women's talent meets the opportunity, because every story deserves a spotlight. Here they are.
Hello, I'm Zankna Durgai. I am Autography's handwriting expert and also first IBT of the company. मैंने 2018 में ऑटोग्राफी ज्वाइन किया था एंड तब से लेके अब तक मैं 700 बच्चों से भी ज़्यादा बच्चों को ऑटोग्राफी का कोर्स करवा चुकी हूँ विद द हेल्प ऑफ ऑटोग्राफी बुक. यस, ऑटोग्राफी बुक एक पूरी कंप्लीट पैकेज है जहाँ पे मैं बता सकती हूँ कि साइंटिफिकली और टेक्निकली पूरा ये कॉन्सेप्ट है वो उस बुक में डिजाइन किया गया है. यहाँ पे कोई कॉपीराइट का बिल्कुल भी कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं डाला है उन लोगों ने, विच इज वेरी गुड. और उसकी वजह से बच्चों को बहुत इजीली ये पूरा कोर्स है वो लाइक इम्प्रूवमेंट आ जाता है उनके हैंड राइटिंग में. और यहाँ पे सिर्फ बच्चे ही नहीं, कोई भी एज ग्रुप है वो ये कोर्स कर सकता है. मैंने 2021 में एज ए 5BT ज्वाइन किया था एंड तब से लेके अब तक मैं मोर देन 30 टीचर्स को भी ऑटोग्राफी कोर्स के लिए ट्रेन कर चुकी हूँ एंड दे आर ऑल्सो डूइंग वेरी वेल. मैं ये बोल सकती हूँ कि ऑटोग्राफी की वजह से मेरी लाइफ काफी बैलेंस हो चुकी है. मतलब एक वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस मिल चुका है. प्लस जो मेरे लिए बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट था वो है मेरा नाम. यस, ऑटोग्राफी की वजह से काफी अच्छा मुझे नाम भी मिला है एज ए हैंड राइटिंग एक्सपर्ट. दैट थिंग एक्चुअली मोटिवेटेड मी सो मच कि मैंने वही चीज को लेके मैंने दूसरे टीचर्स को ट्रेन करना शुरू किया. आई ट्रूली रिकमेंडेड दिस कोर्स टू एवरीवन जो भी अपना करियर हैंड राइटिंग एक्सपर्ट एज ए हैंड राइटिंग एक्सपर्ट बनाना चाहते हैं. दे कैन जॉइन अस एंड दिस इज एन अमेजिंग कोर्स. आई वांट टू थैंक Nilay sir and Simran ma'am to giving us such a platform where basically we can have our work-life balance. Thank you so much.
So hello people out there, I am Dasha and I have been an autography teacher since 2020. And for autography, I would say that the more I thank autography is lesser. With autography, the handwriting improvement course, I have been a self-sufficient teacher and an independent business trainer. I'm not only a teacher with autography, but I'm also an independent business trainer who has trained more than 20 teachers under myself. And I have taught around 300 students till date, including the students of Africa and US and UK and India, all over the country, across the globe. And currently I'm taking offline classes in Rajkot with all grades of students from K2 to 10th graders to adults, to teachers training in Hindi, in Gujarati and English handwriting improvement. So autography is a big platform. It has given a lot of opportunity to me. I have become self-sufficient, self-employed, an independent woman who has earned her own tablet, her own mobile phone, and many dreams I have fulfilled with just being a part of autography. And today also, autography not only supports my dreams, not only supports me as an individual or as a teacher, but we are a part of autography family forever.
Hello, I am Parita Pathak, certified autography mentor from Ahmedabad. First of all, I want to talk about autography because there is still a lack of awareness among students and parents regarding its importance. Autography is not only a handwriting improvement course, but it is a course that adds value to your personality. Autography as a profession gave me an opportunity to interact students with diverse background and to all age group. Currently, I am teaching autography to school children and to UPSC, GPSC aspirants as well. This profession is very much convenient for me with respect to time and course fees. I am teaching in both online and offline modes. In addition to the flexibility of timings, there is no other burden or pressure of completing any target. I would like to thank Team Autography as the whole team is very supportive and cooperative. I encourage everyone to join our autography family. Thank you.
Autography beyond the writing has changed my life beyond imagination. Hi, I'm Dasha, a certified teacher of Autography family from Ahmedabad. I had joined Autography in April 2019, and from last 4 years I'm successfully running my classes online as well as offline. It has not only made me independent but given me financial stability. Today I am a valuable financial contributor to my family. Joining Autography is not only fun-filled with productive work, but it also connects you to the new generation with the new ideas. So today, I give a warm welcome to all the women out there to come and join our Autography team. You will see a huge difference in your personal and professional life with monetary benefits. Autography team is always there to support you, not only during the workshops, but also 24/7, day and night, they assist you. Today, I like to thank Nilay sir and Simran ma'am, the founders of our Autography team, for innovating such good books of cursive handwriting, which no one has still thought of. This is my pride, and it can be yours also. So women out there, what are you waiting for? Come and join our team, and you will see a huge transformation in your life beyond imagination.
Hello, I'm Shalini. I am a certified handwriting expert, also an IBT from Autography. I started my journey as a commercial teacher on December 2020, then after I had trained so many kids with the help of this course. This book is scientifically and technically designed. It works on 7 scale of handwriting. There is no such kind of copywriting in this book. इस वजह से बच्चों को बहुत ही आसानी रहती है इस कोर्स को समझने में. बच्चों से लेके कोई भी एज के लोग इस कोर्स को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. आई क्वालिफाइड एज एन IBT ऑन मार्च 2021. उसके बाद मैंने काफ़ी सारे टीचर्स, इवन हाउसवाइफ को भी राजकोट से ट्रेन किया है, और वो लोग एज हैंड राइटिंग एक्सपर्ट बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. Above all, I want to say that the team is always there to help us 24/7. The founder Nilay sir and Simran ma'am are very supportive. I am very grateful to them कि हमें इतना अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड किया है कि हम अपने घर बैठे बैठे ही बहुत अच्छी इनकम जनरेट कर सकते हैं with the help of this certified course. For this, I would highly recommend everyone to please come and join our team. Please be a part of our Autography team and increase your success and confidence. Thank you.
Nothing is more expensive than a missed opportunity. Are you up for this opportunity? If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at the number provided below via phone call or WhatsApp. Autography becomes the brush that paints your story with love, laughter, and continuous growth. Till then, keep writing, keep creating, keep excelling, keep evolving with Autography style. I will see you in the next workshop. Inquiry now.